VP.Start is at the forefront of grid modernization, covering a wide range of innovative solutions for distribution networks, such as 22 kV and 35 kV. Almost 10,000 such devices have already been installed nationwide to licensed energy providers here in Cambodia. Our mission to our valued clients is to provide solutions to improve their energy network, resulting in more rapid data analytics, such as monitoring, control, and risk analysis, which improves overall planning. We provide cost-effective solutions for grid modernization by upgrading the current infrastructure. The installation of our DRC devices are seamlessly integrated, thus creating a modern grid network with a solid rate of return. Our solutions address numerous challenges that are evident in the industry. This includes the ability to remotely control switchgear, receive alarm notifications, and quickly locate faults. Our solutions provide real-time monitoring of current phase, voltage, and power, which provides swift reports for analysis. By having real-time information, this eliminates the need for personnel to go out and manually check the site. We offer a range of innovative hardware and software solutions, including DRC devices, RPM grid, DRS, and LMS system, which modernize existing electrical equipment and integrates all solutions together. Our experience in smart grid solutions is extensive, which is evident with our client coverage, which is approximately 82% of the market in Cambodia. VP.Start Smart Grid Solutions modernize traditional grid networks to become smart grids, providing secure and reliable grids that are sustainable, which reduces operational costs.